Change Your Belief program basically grew out of a 10-step hypnosis process that I originally created through working with my clients and seeing results. So then I thought, okay, here I have this core process that works, along with this workbook that goes with it, and the only thing that's missing is me, my interaction with the client, guiding them into hypnosis and explaining it verbally. So I asked myself, how can I allow people from all over the world access to this process and have me be a part of it? That's where the audios came in. So I'm there explaining it to you as well as guiding you into hypnosis. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to do audios, why not make it even better and add the brainwave entrainment to the hypnosis induction to help the student get into the right level of hypnosis? So I did. And what I ended up with was a program that uses a variety of media to help you change your thinking patterns to becoming more positive. For example, you can read the workbook, and that's one way the brain assimilates information, by reading. But then you can also listen to the audio workbook, and that initiates a different type of learning, just like having me explaining it to you, just like you were there in my office. So now your brain gets it in a different way, from a different angle. And then with the hypnosis audio, I'm guiding you into hypnosis, and you're also becoming more relaxed through the brainwave entrainment, which was engineered to help you achieve the optimum state to receive affirmations. But then I thought there's one more thing that needs to be added, and that's my routine of giving the client permission to accept a more positive way of thinking and feeling safe to make change. So I added a meditation that also has affirmations for that. The program is a digital download that includes a workbook, quick start guide, a guided audio meditation for the 10-step process, which leaves room for you to insert your own custom affirmations, which I teach you how to create, as well as a hypnosis script and more audios to help you feel safe to make change. It's a pretty comprehensive program.